Hi, this is Sala here. Welcome to my channel. Today we will be cleaning my living room. As you see here, we have a lot of dust. We moved in a little while ago to our new home, and this is part of that new home series. I will be showing you real messes and just real life as it is. Here you see the scraps from the wood that we use for our wood burning fireplace, and here are a few messes from our little daughter on our windows. We have windows that come pretty low so she can reach them and likes to be there, look outside, and that leaves a mark. That is fine. You know, we all have our messes. That's fine. I don't like the messes in my home, and that's why I want to clean. I want to clean with you. I want you guys to be inspired and motivated to clean your home. And this is our Nordic home. Here you see our living room. We have a little couch, a little armchair. That is for the reason because we haven't yet bought the furniture that we wanted for this home. I don't want to go and buy them before I find the ones that I like, and so we might wait for a little while, and that's fine. I want to get something that I will stick with for a long time and that will serve us well. My daughter is there with a toothbrush. I found some toothbrushes from sale. They were on a pretty good price, so I took a few of them and she got one of them for her to play with. Here is the wood that we use for the fireplace. It does bring in a bit of dust and a bit of messes until I find a good way to store them inside the house and just bring them to the fireplace. We will be using the plastic buckets. That's the thing in Finland. There are a lot of buckets, plastic buckets. You can get them from the stores, pretty much any store here in Finland. And this one, the beauty here is my IKEA vintage lamp. If you do want to buy it, I am selling it. I don't unfortunately have a place for that in my home. So just please send me a message and let me know you're interested. Here I'm vacuuming and using my Miele C3, I think it was, vacuum, and it does such a good job. You can use it for hardwood floors or any kind of floors, pretty much anything. You can use it for rugs, for carpet, whatever you have. Just click that little thing on the head and you're good to go. It changes. Now I'm gonna show you in a little bit. I'm gonna switch the head, and that's like that little thing with what you can vacuum your baseboards, you know, any crevices, nooks that you have. And it is so much easier than going on the floor and wiping them down. So I love that little tool I have. It came with the vacuum. It is easily stored inside the vacuum. So for me, I gave that a big plus. How are you guys doing? I'm so happy you're here. I'm so happy you are watching my videos, whether it's the first time or second, or you know how many times you watched it. I'm glad you're here. This is a channel where I will share real life messes and just, you know, my everyday cleaning that I do as a stay-at-home mom for my 2-year-old. We are a family of 3. There is me, my husband, and our daughter. And we are living in Finland. Here is what I got out from the carpet. And this is me cleaning the vacuum head. So a good tip to vacuum your vacuum heads. It's so much easier than trying to, well, as I'm doing here, you know, or taking them apart apart and trying to figure out how to clean them. That's one easy way, just quickly clean them after use. Yes, please wipe them also if you use them for a long period of time, or if you're vacuuming something that is very dirty, so that you can clean out your vacuum after the use. That will make it last longer and just, you know, bring cleaner results every time. I hope you're doing all good. I will let you watch my cleaning. I hope you do grab your whatever supplies you need for cleaning your home. If there is something you need to do, you can do it. Sometimes it takes a lot of work to just start cleaning, but there's always something you can do. A little thing, you know, wipe down the counters or just put the dishes away. Whatever it is you need to do, I will be here for you. I will be cheering you up. I will be cleaning with you. So I do hope to see you later on in the video. I will be sharing a few things when we get forward in the video. So see you later. Bye.
I can see you down again, falling to the ground again. I feel you. Try to fight it on your own. I'll help you light your fire. I'll take your hand, raise you up higher. You can dare to live. Stand up, be the hero you need, the dreamer you dreamed of. Speak up, scream in the mirror. You're free, you're free, you're free now.
Here I had some residue from tape on the glass top that we have for our TV stand, and I use glass cleaner for that. Works amazing, as you can see here. Wonderful results. You can use it for anything.
Goodbye to the misery. Write another better history. You're fearless. Even fear's afraid of you. I won't let you turn back now. Even if you're down and out, you're healing. And I'm here. I'll help you light your fire. I'll take your hand, raise you up higher. You can dare to live. Stand up, be the hero you need, the dreamer you dreamed of. Speak up, scream in the mirror. You're free, you're free, you're free now. Light up, you can feel the heat of the spot, the beat of your heart. You can dare to live
I wanted to share with you a little bit about me. Why I'm cleaning. Why am I doing cleaning videos? I am a certified physical therapist, but since I've been home with my daughter, you know, cleaning is part of my everyday life. You know, I have to do it, I like to do it, and I know how to do it. And that is partly because I come from a family that likes cleaning, I could say. All my relatives, they're pretty clean people. They like to clean, and we share cleaning tips with each other. You know, and it's nice to hear, you know, and I've heard it throughout my life, how my relatives clean. And that's just the way I've been brought up, to have a clean home and to have a home where you can relax and wind down, and that feels comfortable. You know, when I had my daughter, I didn't know how much messes one child could bring. So any one of you who have children, one, more than one, you know, I feel you. It is not the easiest thing to try to keep your home clean. Not that it is necessary to have it clean all the time. There's a lot of other things that you could do. but it is nice and it does calm you down when your home is clean, things are on their places, and everything has a place and everything has a home. For me, it reduces my stress and just helps me be more productive. I like to be productive. I like to get things done. I am a bit fast-paced. On the other hand, I can relax very well if my home is clean. I've had to learn to relax also when it's not clean, but it is not me that much. So here you see me putting the pillows, new pillow covers for the pillows. The pillow covers are from Rusta. That's a shop we have here. I love it. They have everything regarding styling your home in very good price. So the pillow covers are here for the winter. They will go probably, I would say, through Christmas. My Christmas decorations will come up soon. Not necessarily the next video, but maybe one after that. So even though our home is a little bit in the progress, I do want to decorate for Christmas, at least for a little bit. I'm not over the top when it comes to Christmas decorations or just any decorating. I don't want to have clutter in my home and just have things to gather dust somewhere in the shelves. I like things to be put away. The pillows are, you know, I do like them when I'm sitting on the couch, but that comes with this couch especially. You know, I've had couches where I had no pillows because I didn't like them. I didn't use them. I do like them to be, you know, there for decorative purposes. But like I said, I don't like color. I don't like extra stuff hanging out in my home. I like my home to be a place where I can move easily, do my things, and just enjoy the spaces. How do you like to keep your home? Do you like things being there to remind you of some things, you know, to bring you certain mood, or do you like your home to be, you know, bare? A lot of the times we consider Scandinavian homes to be bare, to be minimalistic, to be white or monochromatic, but that is not really the case. My home is in the progress, but there will be a lot more color in the future. So I do hope you stick with me with the channel. Here is the finished living room. It is so much nicer than what we began with. But yeah, there will be a lot more color, not so much stuff. I do want to reduce it, so I will be having decluttering videos in the future. For me, I want things to be on their place or somewhere where I can see everything that I have of one category before I declutter. That comes from Marie Kondo. I do like her way of decluttering. I don't share all the principles that she believes in, but I do like her method of, you know, taking everything in the same category, put it in the middle of your biggest room and just, you know, take out stuff you don't actually like or need. Now, I don't declutter everything I don't like because I wouldn't be left with that much. I like the principle of having things that you actually like, but I realized that I actually started to know what I like not before I was over 30. So if you're a younger person watching, you know, don't worry about not knowing what you want. I still don't know what I want. I do know quite a bit. I know the most of what I want from life, but things change. We change our minds. We, you know, our situations in life change, and that has happened to me many times in life. So I do try to keep things that I actually need. Things that I need and things that I like. And if there are things that I do need but I don't like, those are the ones that I'm going to replace. If there's something, you know, that I don't like but I do need, I will put it on a waiting list. You know, I will use it as long as I need it. And if I don't need it, then I'll just discard it. I will put it away, I will donate it, give it to someone, whatever. But we shouldn't treat things just the way that if we don't like it, we liked it yesterday, we liked it last year, but this year I don't like it, it's not in style or whatever. You know, we should have a bit more consideration, and I try to have more consideration every time I get something. We thrift a lot, so that makes me think, the good side of it is that it makes you think, what do you actually need? You know, what type of things that you actually like, because if you know, get something that's not functioning, you know, it's not necessarily expensive, but it does clutter your home, and it is an unnecessary thing to buy. So because I want my home to be clutter-free, I want to breathe easily in my home, mentally also. So I do try to keep in mind what are the things that I really actually like. Here we are almost at the end of our video, and I'm so glad you're here. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I will let you watch the rest of it. And just come here another time. I would love to see you here again, and please subscribe, like, share, everything. See you later. Bye bye.